Hello everyone, my name is Vijay. Welcome to my channel, and in this video I am going to show you how to make any home screen setup in less than 5 minutes with a new app called Screeny. So let's get started. Well, first of all, to do any home screen setup we need to install few apps. The first app is Screeny. Let me install the Screeny app and show you what it is. So let's install it first. The app is installed. Now you can check that the Screeny is basically an app which has many number of home screen setups, including the backups of launcher, and as well as the KWGT widget. It's just very simple to restore these backups and make any setup in less than 5 minutes. There are many, as you can see that there are many setups here. Okay, here it is. All you need to do is now just download the wallpaper, apply the wallpaper. After that you need to install Nova Launcher and KWGT widget so that you can restore the backups. You can download the wallpaper by clicking the download option and then selecting wallpaper. In the wallpaper you need to download the icon pack. Just click on the icons. Just click on the icons button which you can see in the bottom of the app. It will redirect you to the Play Store. Well, this is a paid app. You should either buy this or get free from Google, but I'll drop a link in the description box. You can download it free from there. Download and install this icon pack so that we can continue the process. Telegram channel and Telegram group. You can join my Telegram group from the app. So after installing it, we need to download the backup file, widget backup. Clicking on the widget backup button will automatically download you the file. It will be saved in internal storage /downloads folder. Now we need to install Nova Launcher. Just the normal version will not do the job. I think we should also install the Prime version. I have already purchased Nova Launcher Prime. If you haven't purchased, you can also get that app in the Telegram group of Screeny. Let's find this. Now there will be a zip file created in your downloads folder. Actually it is the backup of the launcher and as well as the KWGT widget. We need to extract it to use in our home screen setup. So let's extract the zip. I'll extract the zip to any of the directory, but here I am doing to the root directory because it will automatically be fetched in the KWGT app. You can also extract to any directory whichever you like. As you can see that the installation of Nova Launcher is successful. Now it's asking for us to choose the initial layout. Then click on Nova Backup and browse. Allow the permission. Click on browse and choose the widget. Choose the backup which you have just extracted. The file name will be with the extension of .nova backup, which means that it is the restore file of the Nova Launcher. There you can see that it is 76_nova .nova backup. Select that file, then click on apply. This layout will be automatically added to Nova Launcher. Now just change the default launcher, launch the Nova Launcher again. As you can see that the icons are coming but there are no widgets. It's because we haven't installed the KWGT yet. Now let's change the default launcher to Nova and install KWGT to do the job. We have changed the default launcher to Nova. Now let's install KWGT. We also need the Pro key to do the restores of backups. The Pro key can also be found in our Telegram group. Well, I have the KWGT profile and I'm installing it directly. Well, the widget got installed. Now we need to restore the Nova Launcher backup again. It's because we haven't installed the KWGT previously. So let's do it again. Click on Nova Launcher settings, go to backup and import, click on restore or manage backups, click on browse and go to the file which we have just extracted. It's 76 for Nova. Click on overwrite, OK. Now open Nova Launcher again. As you can see that there are two files which we got. Now it's very easy to restore these backups and get the widgets directly. Let me apply the wallpaper now, which we have downloaded from the Screeny app. Set as and click on photos. Set this as wallpaper. Now we just need to restore those remaining two widgets. It's very simple. Just click on that box. Again click on it. This will be coming only for the first time. Then go to the exported folder. Here you can see that there are two widgets are already present. It's because we have placed the widget backups in the root directory. If you don't place them in the root directory, then these will be not visible here. Then you should click on the folder button which is available in top right. Then you should choose those. Now just click on OK and save button and you are done. Just go back. Now one more, the search bar. Click on it. OK. Just click on Tor search, click on save button and you are ready. As you can see, this is the very easy and easiest method to make any home screen setup. Screeny, this is all because of the Screeny app. If we don't have Screeny app, it's very difficult for us to do this all of the job. Well, let me explain you what Screeny is exactly again. Screeny is an app which consists of many number of home screen setups with their backup files as well. All you need to do is just select any setup which you like, just download the wallpaper and the icon pack and the backups file which you can extract and just restore it, which will do the job in just less than 5 minutes. You can see that there are many setups already available and the setups will be updated regularly. You can check in the app sidebar that there will be an option to join our Telegram group, through which you can get paid apps for free and also showcase your setups in our Telegram channel. Well, that's it for the video guys. Thanks for watching. If you have any doubts about this video, please comment, let me show you. Please like this and share the video as much as possible. Thanks for watching. Bye.